All right, there are two things that organizations around town would want from my father, and one was for him to cook for their pancake breakfast, and he'd cook 50 pounds of flour up at a time for that, and I'll give you that recipe coming up, his Swedish pancakes. And the other was chili, and he would make this in 50-gallon batches, and I've cut it down to a manageable recipe for you. And don't panic, you don't have to listen to all the verbiage or all that stuff. The recipe is right at the end. Just take your slider and slide it across. This is really, really, really good. It's the one you want. So here it is, the Mattson recipe for chili. And if it's from me, you know it's good. Alright, the recipe makes 2 quarts, so if you're a commercial operator or a club and you want this for your fundraising, just multiply the recipe by 100 and you'll get your 50 gallons. Alright, it's a 2-step process, very easy. You need 2 pounds of hamburger, 1/4 cup of onion, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 4 sweet peppers cut up fine, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You're going to fry all this down and try not to burn the chili powder. That's a big no-no. Don't burn it. If you need to, add a 1/4 cup of water when the beef turns brown, and just cook it on down until your veggies are softened. Step 2, you're going to add 14-ounce can of kidney beans, 1 16-ounce can of refried beans. That's your thickening agent. And then we're going to add 15-ounce can of tomato sauce plus 1 1/2 cans of water, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of molasses, 2 bay leaves. Mix all that stuff up, bring it to a boil, and then simmer 20 minutes, and then before you're ready to eat it, you just bring it, heat it up back to a boil, and you're ready to go. 1 hour chili. Absolutely dynamite. Okay? Thousands of people have already approved it. So you are good to go. Good luck with your cooking, and you know, if you want to add hot stuff to it or whatever after you do the basic recipe, hey, that's great. Have fun.